Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to prototype uh, loading screen. So just how to do any loading screen. I'm going to design for Android large. So let me quickly import my column grid. So okay, so let me just sketch. Um, okay, so let me now start replacing some of this here. I'm going to import icon. I'm going to search for let's say media. So here I'm going to have a text. I can call this global biz. Can drop it here. um, I'm going to increase the size to 32. Let me make this dark. Here, let me go back to Iconify. I'm going to import, let's say, profile padding. So I'm going to ensure it's placed at the center. I'm going to do same for this. All right. Now let me. I'm going to add the text says user name and another that says password. So I'm going to make this 14. All right. So for this button, I'm going to give this corner radius of 30. All right. So I'm going to have text that says verify details. Let me go back to Iconify. I may import Facebook. I'm going to add auto layout to this. Let me use for this I can use Montserrat. All right. So I'm going to use this for this color. So for this I'm going to let me make it a bit transparent. So like this. All right. So this is going to be white. Let's say very good. Let me increase this to 99. I'm going to make it bold too. So these and these, I'm going to um, want to give this gray. All right. So I'm going to make this 20. So I'm going to speed up this process so because we don't have much time to spend. So all right, we are here. So I'm going to duplicate this screen now. So we have our second screen. So I'm now going to take this out. Then I'm going to have an overall shape. So 100 is fine. 100 is fine. Now I'm going to have verifying. That's a label saying verifying details. All right. So now I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to convert this into an arc. So let me change the ratio to 80%. All right, so I can make this blue. All right, I'm also going to make this blue too. I'm going to reduce this color to let's say 20%. Now I'm going to sweep this, reduce. Okay. Now we're going to reduce this to about, let's say, 10. All right. Now I'm going to move this way. All right. So I'm going to have a label. Have my text. I'm going to type 10% for this. So I'm going to make this 40. Okay, let me check if 40 would be fine. Let me place it at the center. All right. So I can maybe 36. All right. So all right. So let me now duplicate this. So I'm going to select this now. I'm going to change this to 20%. All right. Now I'm going to edit this and change this to 20. All right. So I'm now going to edit this and add another dot. All right. So that it will appear to be loading. So I'm going to speed this up a bit so I don't waste time. So right, so at 100 we are going to say verification complete. So verification complete, that's 100%. So this is what we want to prototype. So and to do this, okay, I can, I may have I may have two screens. Duplicate this and I duplicate this. Um, Let me now prototype this. So if I'm going to go to prototype, so here will take us to this screen that's on tap, and here will take us to this screen on tap. Then here will take us to this screen on tap. This will take us to this screen on tap. Yes. Now this screen will now move to this after delay. So it has to be instant. Let it be instant. So we can just say use 200 milliseconds. So this would move to this after delay, 200 milliseconds, right? So let's present this to see Android large. Okay, so I'm going to present this now. Let's see if that would work fine. All right, we have this. So if we input our username and we put our password and we click on verify details, where is working fine. So let me do this again. We enter our username and we enter our password. We click on verify details. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.